Hello, everyone, and welcome to Maths with Mr. Chow. In this lesson, we will learn how to divide algebraic terms. We will look at simple examples and learn an important rule for dividing variables. Let's get started. How do we divide algebraic terms? It's actually quite simple. First, divide the coefficients, then divide the variables. Let's look at the example. 12x squared divided by 3x. Let's look at example 1. 12x squared divided by 3x. First, divide the coefficients. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Next, divide the variables. X squared divided by x equals x. Now let's put the answer together. Combining both parts together, 12x squared divided by 3x equals 4x, so the answer is 4x. Let's try another example. We need to divide 20a cubed by 5a. Step 1, divide the coefficients. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. Step 2, divide the variables. When dividing the same variable, subtract the indices. A cube divided by a to the power of 1 equals a squared. Let's check our answer. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. A cube divided by a equals a squared. So, 20a cubed divided by 5a equals 4a squared. Therefore, the answer is 4a squared. Now it's your turn. Which answer is correct? 18m cubed divided by 3m. Take a moment to think about your answer. Is it A, B, C, or D? Let's check the answer. Let's check the answer. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. M cubed divided by m equals m squared. Therefore, 18m cubed divided by 3, m equals 6m squared. The correct answer is B. Let's summarize. Divide the coefficients, divide the variables. When dividing the same variable, subtract the indices. For example, x to the power of 5 divided by x squared equals x cubed. Thanks for watching and see you next time.